Hi guys, so I'm gonna tell you how to get the DJ sort of agility. And that's like the green sword and RB battles. So if you guys don't know, RB battles is like a event, like the biggest event in Roblox. Basically, every year 16 YouTubers, like Roblox YouTubers, compete in a contest. And whoever wins gets a million Robux. And as we're watching some, so we get to vote in the beginning. Get to vote to see what we think is gonna win. If we actually vote correctly, then we get a special award. Actually, let me just show you right now. Okay, so first I'm just going to go to create a random, thing blah blah blah. So this would be blah blah blah, and this would be blah blah blah, and this would be random numbers, and then okay. So the game that the DJ sort of agility is. Actually, first let me show you what the RB battle is. RB battle is basically you know how there's 16 YouTubers? Dennis, Kian, Sketch Creek, Big Beast, Y Guy, Tinker, Preston, Hyper, Kari, Brianna, I'm Santa, Casio, Megan Plays, Ashley, and Peanut Bread. But these, so you can kind of see how they compete, and whoever wins gets the battle back champ. So when you in the RB battles, you get 3 items, which actually I'll just show you how you do it. You just press get, you just get now, and then you can purchase it free. So you can just go to your profile. Actually, not profile. Go to avatar, and then you can equip the RB Battles Archer Pack or the Ultra one. It's the same thing, like that. Then that just kind of shows that you're in the RB Battles. So so back to RB Battles. So if you in this year's RB Battles is extremely cool. So in the 12 event badges in the games. And if you get all the badges, it's kind of like a treasure hunt. It's secret buttons and things you have to do. So it's really cool. So you can get the wings. And there's also swords here. All of them are so cool. So today I'm going to tell about how to get the first sword, which is the sword, a treasure hunt thing. And if you get them, then you get these. It looks pretty cool. You can also sell for Robux, I think. And if my account is over 13, which I didn't create it, then you can vote up down here. Actually, you cannot vote now because it's already over. The contest already started. So yeah. So the first sword, the green sword, is hidden inside a game called World Beats. It's like this. World Beats. So you see this one, the first one. So just press it, press play, and yeah. Wait for it to load. Your stream will become a star. Okay, just skip off. So just keep clicking and just skip quick tutorial. And then you just you just select 3 songs. It looks cool, and then press OK. Okay. So basically, it's kind of complicated. So you first go here. You know how you spawn right here? Just go here. Go here. You see how everybody's going here? Okay, and then you press this button, and just dancing here. So this is a bit complicated. On your keyboard, whatever keyboard you're using, this probably cannot do it on mobile, but on your keyboard, you press the arrow keys, up, down, up, down, left, right, and BA. And that'll say secret dance acquired. Okay? So let me repeat. It's up, down, left, right, BA. So up, down, left, right is on your arrow key, and then type BA on your keyboard. And then it'll unlock a song. You have to get that song, the dance. You have to get the, this one. You gotta do this one. You gotta have this one in your inventory to actually, do the, thing. Okay. And then it's really important. You gotta do Roblox Anthem. So first you just press players. Technically, so it's like this, right? You press this button, social, you press players, and then you press join, so you can join the game. Okay, so you have to play a song, all the songs in order. The first song in order, you gotta play Roblox Anthem, which is this one. So you do Roblox Anthem, Crab Wave, Wizard, Monday Night Hard, and then that's the songs. So basically you just tap the things. That's how the game is like. But if you don't want to tap it, then you can still get the sword after it's hard copy. But I just like to do some fun, not just stay here AFK. Yeah, I'll just do this. It's kind of hard. Normally I just spam click. Yeah, half of them are pretty much missing. Okay. So you got to play the song. So you just join the songs, but you got to join and play the song in order. It's Crab Wave. The first one is Roblox Anthem. It's the easy mode. Roblox Anthem easy. And then, it doesn't say easy, but just Roblox Anthem, not hard mode, okay? And then Crab Wave, also not hard mode. Then Wizard, not hard mode. And then you do Monday Night, and that's hard mode. And if you mess a single song up, you have to start all over again. So after you get, you do all the songs, you go to the gear shop. I'll show you where that is once I do all the songs. So you basically go to the gear shop. You got to equip 3 gears. You can only get the sword if you equip 3 gears. Oh wait, I might do a second part of this video. If 15 minutes is not gonna do it. So I hope in that 15 minutes should do it. I don't know. That guy's a huge. That guy's pro. So at the blue zone. So, okay. Never mind. Let's see. Keep up pressing the buttons. My hat is about to break off. Oh my god. I think I'm doing good. Technically, I'm not actually doing good. I'm talking to you and wow, I don't even know what I'm doing. Basically, I'm not even looking at the screen. I'm just pressing the buttons. Actually, I'm looking at my rainbow keyboard. This got a rainbow keyboard, so subscribe, I guess. So subscribe if you want to see more videos on how to get swords and stuff like that. What else you might not find. Some people say keep on talking and it just doesn't get right into the sword. But I just get right into the thing I do. Okay, so after you do this it'll say, you feel as if a hidden sequence of events has been set in motion. That should clue that the song is the right one. So after you do this song, you gotta do a song called Crab Wave, which is, this one. Yeah, this is called Crab Wave. Okay? So, I hope this is the easy mode. If it is a hard mode, I have to start over. Okay, so this is the easy mode. Okay, so boop 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 boop. Okay, this is annoying. Crab Wave that's like a really catchy song. It's just like crabs glittering. Well, I kinda like it. Oh my god. Me and Dodger Player are tied neck to neck right now. Oh my god. You're literally neck to neck. Literally. Okay, now I'm actually winning. 1,000. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my god. Like, last time I did this, like, it just like so. Okay, now I'm spamming. Last time, I mean, I was competing with a person, and then that person literally had like the same exact thing, like 1 point away. So we were like glitching out the map as I keep on me first, and then his second, and then he first, and it's like doing that so fast, it's like glitching. Oh my god. Crab Wave is way complicated. I mean, if you get to this part, I just spam. Okay, hold this. Boom. 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 Oh my god. I almost passed the blue level. That would be nice. I've never played this game, but I'm pretty sure there's like a level after a blue level, but I'm not sure. I think so, else that won't be that fun. How did these guys even do the blue level? It goes, and one mistake, like it just gets to the yellow level. Don't get it. Okay, 20 seconds left. Okay, I don't think so. I don't think I can do this in 15 minutes. Okay. So, after this video, I'm just going to do a second video, like, in the afternoon. I mean, since, I guess I cannot do more videos in the morning now. I mean, today. Okay. Thereafter, if you do the correct one, which is Crab Wave, just like, it says, you feel as if you're getting closer to a destination. So that just, like, shows that you're doing correctly. And then, the next song is Wizard, which is, I'll do my Monday night. Monday Night Monsters. Okay, I'll just ask for Wizard. Wizard. Please give me Wizard. Imagine if they call him like in Minecraft to just give you a wizard. Just like blow. Come on, you wizard. Wizard. Come on, not Crab Wave. I already did Crab Wave. That's a good bet. Wizard, please. Wizard. Please. Wizard. Okay. Wizard, I'll give you Robux. Come on, Wizard. Come on. Wizard. Oh my god. Wizard. Please. Wizard. Please. Oh yeah, finally. Oops. Okay, that's Wizard. Like this white person with just like black and white song of that. No, why is he joining with a Roblox answer? My mom this. Yes. Wizard. Go Wizard. Okay. This is correct. It's not Wizard hard or anything. So yeah. If you do any of these on hard modes, then you have to start all over again. Yeah, I can only record for a couple seconds left, so yeah. So basically, I'll record what song we're gonna do next and stuff. So basically, just like do the wizard first and just wait for me. you might say